How to fix Google Play game not downloading. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Google Play game not downloading. So guys, for this we have to go to our settings, phone settings, and then make sure that your internet connection is on. But let's go to settings, and now you have to go to install app or app manager. Now you have to search for Google Play games. So here is it, just click here, and then guys, you can see here force stop. Click on force stop and press OK. And now you can see here storage, click on storage, and then now you have to press on clear data, and you have to clear all the data here. Okay, now go back, and then you can see here app permission. Click on app permission, and you have to allow this permission here. Now guys, go back to the menu, restart your phone and reopen the device. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.